Maintaining your ceramic coating at home. Hey there, Gordon. This is Wax On, Wax Off Pro Detailing Ceramic Coatings. In this video, we're going to show you how to maintain your ceramic coating at home. So, don't need it if you have a ceramic coating. No hose, no soap. If your vehicle has gone 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months, I would suggest pressure washer, strong garden hose in the shade, inside, self-serve wash bay, the pre-rinse at the self-serve wash bay with the spot-free chemicals. You want to knock off some of the dirt. In the case of mine, I usually don't let it go longer than 3 weeks, usually 2 weeks. Every 2 weeks I clean it. Mine has very light dirt, so we can use ONR diluted at 2 ounces per gallon. So what this is going to begin to do is break down the dirt, emulsify it, turn it to mush. As you can see, this car has my 4-layer lifetime coating on it, Opticoat Pro 3. If there happens to be gunk on the lower halves, which there is some dirt stuck down there, but it's really very little. This is a bug scrubber. Just very gently you can go, and I mean, there was a couple of stuck on things, but it pretty much fell off as soon as the ONR touched it. So the next step is, and I'm just going to show you on one panel because it's faster, just duplicate this on the rest of the vehicle. Start from the top, work your way down. So no pressure, we're just applying the ONR. This feels very awkward because I'm usually standing to do this. You can even flip the sponge over if you like. You're not going to scratch the coating because the ONR prevents that from happening. Also, the sponge does as well. Don't worry about inside there because we'll get that with the drying towel. This is extremely simple. Like I said, if you've gone months and months and months, you're going to need to pre-rinse it. But I don't need to in this case. This is super simple. Safe alternative, no soap. Stop using soap. It doesn't lubricate. It doesn't clean very well. ONR is far superior. So stop using soap. It's one of my pet peeves, to not use soap. Also, this is safer because once the soap is gone, whatever little lubricating properties it has, you've rinsed it off now. In this case, the ONR is on here all the time. Whether you're washing or drying, it's still there. So this is a very easy method. It looks absolutely fantastic. I will show you the before panel. Dirt. It's not that bad. It's dirty enough. It's winter, middle of winter. If it's middle of summer, find the shade. Do not let water spots dry in the sun. You will have water spots. Not really sure how much you can see here, but super easy to do. Wash your car at home, and then you just repeat that process on the next panel, and so on and so forth. Start at the roof, work your way down, do the wheels last. Thanks for watching the video. If you liked it, go ahead and hit the thumbs up, post a comment, and subscribe for more content. See you next time.